Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best carpentry clamps that are available on the market for their true quality.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Bessey 6 inches clutch style bar clamps. The Bessey clutch style bar clamps are versatile and durable woodworking clamps designed to provide support and stability for various projects. With an ergonomic handle and non-marring pads, these clamps offer comfort and protection for your work surfaces. Made with durable materials, including cast iron jaws and a serrated rail, these clamps are built to last. Suitable for a range of applications, these clutch-style bar clamps are a valuable addition to any woodworking workbench. With positive customer reviews, these clamps are highly regarded for their strength and quality. The Bessey clutch-style bar clamps are solid and reliable tools for woodworking projects. They offer a comfortable grip, durability, and non-marring protection, making them a great addition to any workshop. While some users experienced tight springs or issues with holding position, the overall positive reviews indicate that these clamps perform well and are a good value for their price. Moving on at number 4, we have the Hi-Spec 3% Mini C-Clamps set. The Hi-Spec 3% Mini C-Clamps set is a versatile gripping solution designed to secure workpieces for various craftwork, hobbies, and DIY projects. This comprehensive set includes 3 mini-sized G-clamps with 1, 2, and 3-inch jaws, perfect for woodworking, carpentry, crafting, and home repairs. The clamps are made with a durable cast iron construction, ensuring long-lasting performance and rust resistance. With galvanized steel T-handles and swivel pads, adjusting and securing the clamps is effortless. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts, woodworkers, and carpenters, this practical tool set will help tackle a wide range of projects with ease and precision. The Hi-Spec 3% Mini C-Clamps set is a must-have for anyone who regularly works on DIY projects or enjoys crafts and woodworking. With its versatility, durability, and ease of use, this set provides the perfect grip and security for a wide range of materials and tasks. At number 3, we have the HORUSDY Small Spring Clamp. The HORUSDY 10-piece 2-inch small spring clamp is a versatile and durable storage product. With a maximum opening of 0.78 inches, these clamps are perfect for carpentry, home decoration, or industrial production. The thick spring material ensures durability, while the nickel-plated steel construction makes them resistant to rust. The arc of the handle improves comfort, and the non-slip plastic cover protects surfaces. These clamps come in a vibrant orange color and have a size of 2 inches. They are suitable for use on wood, metal, and fabric. Customer reviews highlight the strong grip and sturdiness of these clamps, although some have experienced issues with the rubber tips coming off easily. Overall, the HORUSDY Small Spring Clamp is a reliable and practical storage solution. At number 2, we have the IRWIN Quick Grip Clamps. The IRWIN Quick Grip Clamps are a versatile and reliable option for woodworking projects. With their one-handed operation and quick-release triggers, these clamps make it easy to secure smaller workpieces and work in confined areas. The clamps are made with a sturdy resin construction and hardened steel bars to prevent flexing and bending. They also feature non-marring pads to protect your workpiece from scratches and scuffs. With 140 pounds of force, these clamps can keep your workpiece together and evenly distribute pressure. Overall, the IRWIN Quick Grip Clamps offer great value and performance for woodworking enthusiasts. And finally at number 1, we have the TOLESA 9-inch Pocket Hole Jig Clamp. The TOLESA metal face clamps for woodworking are heavy-duty and versatile clamps designed for various woodworking tasks. With a wide reach of 2 to 3/4 of an inch and 2 different marring clamp faces, these clamps are perfect for metalworking, welding, carpentry, and more. The ergonomic design and easy-to-use single screw allow for quick adjustments of jaw opening and clamping forces. The clamps are constructed with high carbon steel for enhanced toughness and durability, and the plated nickel locking face provides rust resistance. The pocket hole clamp feature with swiveling pads ensures even clamping force distribution, making it ideal for pocket hole assembly work. The TOLESA metal face clamps are a practical gift choice for anyone involved in woodworking. Size: 9-inch silver.
Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.